Hi everyone, welcome back to Rover. In today's video, I'll show you how to automatically send daily reports from Google Sheets using AppScript. No more manual sending. This will save you a lot of time and effort. Okay, now let's see how this automation process works. Now, at the introduction, I explain you how to work this automation process. So now I'll explain step by step how to uh, do this simply. So before go to the video, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Then first of all, to do this you need to log into a Google Drive. So once you logged into a Google Drive, you can see this kind of interface. So there, to do this you need to take a new spreadsheet or Google Sheet. As you know, to get a new Google Sheet, what you should do, here you can see a button, new button. Just click on that button. There, go and select Google Sheets. Then select blank spreadsheet. Then you have a new spreadsheet like this. Now I want to save my, or I want to rename my default Google Sheet like this. Report automation. Right. Now I change, so and I gave a new name for my Google Sheet, report automation. Then the next step is I need a small report. So here I'm going to create a small report. So there I have this kind of data in my Google Sheet, Excel sheet. Now I'm going to copy this sample data. Then I want to convert this data to a report. Then what you should do is just copy like this, then paste to a Google Sheet like this from A2 cell. Now I'm going to name the headings, ID, name, date, then just say contact. So this is my sample report. Now I want to convert this to a table. Yeah, now you can see this is my sample report. Now I want to automate this report. To automate, what you should do is, I have a pre-written code for this process. So then what you should do is you need to click on these extensions. Then from this drop down menu, select AppScript. Now I'm going to copy and paste my pre-written code set like this. So this is the code block I have already written. Now I am going to select all the code lines like this. Now I am going to paste here under the code GS. Now I want to clean these codes. Now Control V, yes, and I want to save. Now I want to save my project as automation. Automation. Then I renamed my file. Now this is my code lines. So you can download me these code files from the link given under the video description, or a Gumroad. Then here I'll explain each and every code line later. Now I am going to, now this moment I don't go on to explain each code line one by one. Now here I need to change a small thing. Here I want to change this email address to this one, because I want to show the process. Now I am going to say save, replace my email like this, then save. Now that's it. Now I want to run this code. So what will happen? So this code will automate this report. So every morning automatically will email to the relevant recipient this report. Now to do this, what you should do is again go to the deploy button, then select new deployment. So there, click on this gear wheel, then select web app. Now here you can give a name, just say automation. Right, now here anyone, this is my email, given email address, then click on the deploy button. So then you need to authorize access. So there, select your Gmail address account, then click on the advanced, then select go to untitled project, go and select go to untitled project, then click allow. Yeah, now you need to click this URL. So once you click on this URL, you can see there, then go to the go to your email, click on the Gmail. You can see here my report has successfully sent to the recipient email. So it is something like that. Please find the attached daily report. So this is the time, and this is the attached report to a PDF version. So this is the report I used to send automatically, and so this is the original report. So this moves in a PDF format like this. So likewise you can automate your process using this code line. Now I want to explain each and every code line for better understand. So this is the function. Okay, this code block creates a separate menu called daily automation when sheet opens. So there, this code line helps to create what we call a new menu inside your spreadsheet or Google Sheet. So it will create a menu called daily automation. So under that daily automation menu, you can see these sub menus. Okay, sub menus. What are the daily? Run daily task, create daily trigger, delete daily trigger. So these things will automatically create inside your main menu. Okay, and what happens from this code block? So this code block exports automated report to PDF format. Okay, now here you can see the PDF export options. So they are the size is the A4, and the format you see the PDF, portrait size, then the sheet name, default sheet name, and the page numbers are there. Then this is where the PDF the report name generates. So sheet name plus daily report.pdf. So this is the default name, and the sheet name may vary according to your given name. And third code block, this code block creates separate menu called daily. Sorry, here what happens? Here you can see you need to give your email address, recipient email address. So your report will send to this email address automatically, and this is the email body. There you can see this part goes to the email body. Please find attached daily report likewise, and so that's it. On the other hand, this code block, or the final code block, helps to create and delete triggers for this project. So here you don't want to create manual trigger. Here when you run this function, I mean create daily trigger, then what will happen? It create new daily trigger according to the given details, and there you don't need to manually trigger your project. So once you run this function, so what will happen? It will automatically set up a new trigger. And if you want to delete triggers, you just need to click on the delete daily trigger option. Then it will delete all the triggers, and also this will run daily task when access. So when you open your Google Sheet with your report, then what happens? It will run automatically. So that is what I want to explain here under the code lines. Now I think it is clear to you. Okay, now here if I go back to my Google Sheet, you can see this is the thing. Let's say won't run this one. You see what happens? It creates a new menu called daily automation. So under that daily automation menu, there are 3 sub menus. Run daily task now, set daily trigger to 8 a.m. and remove daily trigger. So likewise, you can run and set up daily trigger according to the given scenario. So if you don't want, then you can remove daily triggers. Yeah. Daily PDF report trigger created to 8 a.m. Likewise, you can create new triggers. So I want to show you the trigger created there. So just go to the app script, then you can see icon called the clock icon. So there it names as triggers. Now just click on that. Then you can see newly created trigger. Yeah, this is the newly created trigger. If you want to edit trigger, just click on this pencil. Then you can see the settings of your newly created trigger like this. This is the function run daily task, and this is the time driven. Select event source, it is time driven. Select type of time based trigger day timer, and this is the select time of the day, and failure notice settings are there, notify me daily. So likewise, what happens, your trigger has created automatically. Now save the trigger. Now if you want to delete this trigger, there you don't want to do any manual thing, just go to the daily automation and again click on the remove daily trigger. So once what happens, finish script, so it will delete your existing triggers. Here you can see there are no any triggers because I clicked this one. I clear all the existing triggers, so remove daily triggers. So that is how the automation process works and daily automation thing works. And also if you need this sample sheet and also the code file, just follow the Gumroad link include in the video description. Then you can easily download and customize this application according to your requirements. Okay, now that's it for today. Let's meet with another new video. Stay with us. Thank you very much.